Hello, so in this video I'm going to talk about how we can install WhatsApp chat widget on our Squarespace website. So as you can see, there are a couple of options right here on my screen, and I'm going to go through all of these with you right here. So this is the first option, which is about the phone. So you can put your WhatsApp number here. So I'm not going to change that. And this right here is the message. So if I open up this chat widget right here, this is how the message will appear. So I can change that to maybe, hello, I want to inquire about your services, right? And this is the icon size, and as you can see, this is the icon. So I can make it small or bigger. I think 50 pixel would be nice. And this is the chat message, which you can see right here on the panel. This is how it would look like. Let's change that to height there. How can we? I think I'm gonna make this lowercase, and this is the button color. Right now this looks like this, and I think you like to use your own brand color, so I'm gonna use the brand colors of my website. And I'm gonna go back here and replace this with the brand colors of my website. And now this is the button position. So I'm going to choose right here, and link button here is when the pop-up won't open on clicking, but it would take you directly to the chat. So I'm gonna uncheck this and check show pop-up. And here, this is the header color. I can change that to my brand colors again. And this right here is a subheading. The chat title, I can change that to anything I want. I think this can be your job title, your tagline. This can be anything. I'm going to change that to customer support representative, maybe. Yeah. And this can be your name, your company. So this is how it's going to appear. Right, so I'm going to change that to John Doe maybe. And now this is the best part. We can change the image here. We can also change the button icon. I think the button icon looks fine with the the WhatsApp icon, because it won't confuse the visitors. Now here on the logo for that, I will be heading on to my website, and I'm going to click here to upload my picture. So you're going to choose your website here on which you want to install the chat widget. So I'm going to choose this one, and that's loading. So here you can insert custom files. I'm going to open up and add image. This is the image I want to use. You can use your own image, and let's wait for it to load. Bingo. So I'm going to click here, and this will give me the URL that I can use in my chat widget. So I'm going to press save, and I can head back here. I can replace this URL with the URL I just got, and now I'm going to go and press apply options, and this will provide me with the code I should use. So let's close this. Now let's click copy to clipboard, and now you can go and just paste this code here. First you choose your website, and down here in the footer you can replace the previous code with this one, and I'm going to press save, which will give me the icon right here. You can see that John Doe customer support representative. This is a message from John Doe, and yeah, so you see you can close. This also opens on hover. Yeah, and it works like a charm. So yeah, that's about it. And if you guys have any questions, you can reach out to me. Thank you.